What's up guys, Ryan Lehman, Lane's Barbecue, and today we're talking game day appetizers. Chicken wings are great any time of year, doesn't have to be a football game. So we're gonna go through our award-winning wings. Yes, we don't compete much, but when we do, we go wings and we make sure there's a lot of people around. So we're doing our spellbound wings, but first we gotta get them brined. So this is our sweet tea brine. Not sure if you use that. We got a sweet tea and a signature brine. We're gonna roll these for about 12 hours in the sweet tea brine, let them air dry in the fridge for about 12 hours, and then it's time to rock and roll. All right guys, these wings, the power of television. These wings have already been brined. They've been air dried in the fridge, and the reason we wanna do that is we wanna dry out that skin. So what happens is when you brine, it's gonna impart flavor and moisture into the meat, but also into that skin. So you wanna get it drying out in the fridge. That air that's constantly just moving around in the fridge will help dry out that skin. So we've got these ready. You can hit them with some duck fat spray or just some oil just to get them where that seasoning sticks better, or don't. You use more seasoning, we're happy with that too. All right, so we're gonna go with our spellbound version. This is just our sweet all-purpose seasoning. If you like a little more heat, you can add our spellbound hot. And I know all the haters out there, you're gonna hate on me, but I like whole wings. So you can also get them where they're split up, but I like whole. It's like meat with a handle. It's excellent. So we're gonna start, actually, we're gonna season the bottoms first, because that's what's gonna sit on the grill. And then we'll come back through and season the tops. All right guys, we got the Recteq set at 325 degrees. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, what temperature do you smoke your wings at? For us, we like to go anything 325 or higher. At that lower temp, 225, 250, the skin on the wings can tend to get a little gummy and not as crisp as you want, especially you've already put all this time in to brine them, dry them, season them up. So we want to give them the best chance for that crispy skin. So we roll at 325. We got some cherry pellets in here. Gives it a great color, real mild wood flavor. It's fantastic. All right guys, another question we get a lot is, how do you keep your wings from sticking to the grill? A lot of it is just making sure that your grates are nice and clean and oiled, but second is you don't want to move them too soon. So you want to make sure that they're on those grates for a little bit. It'll help that skin to like start cooking, and then it'll almost build up its own oil and it'll separate from it. So you want to give it a little bit of time before you flip. All right guys, the wings have been going for about 35 minutes. They're sitting around 160 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and flip them. See, as you can see, they're not sticking. All right, wings almost ready. We've got them at about 180 degrees. We wanna take them closer to 200, maybe they're 185. Sweet sauce, white sauce, we're gonna do a little mixy mix. All right, let's get these wings, we'll toss them in. Look at that, beautiful color on there, still nice and seasoned. All right. You ready? All right, they're tossed. Throw back on. What's up, guys? Wings are done. So we smoked them at about 325 degrees till they hit about 180. Tossed them in our sweet and white sauce, put them back on the smoker. They're ringing in about, well, super hot right now. You can see them still steaming. I know you guys all love it when I burn myself, so hey, here we go. All right. Ooh, that looks painful. And delicious. All right. We got our wing. Look, nice crispy skin. Man, perfect mix of sweet, and then you got that white sauce in there, just like kind of tones down the sweet a little bit, and then we got that spellbound coming through on the back end. Look, guys, no matter who wins the game, you're gonna win.